Okay. So now we have seen the first method of analysis of pre-stress. So I told you there are three methods or three approaches to analyze a pre-stressed member at transfer and service loads. So these approaches are based on the following concept. So let us see. The first concept is the stress concept, or it is also known as the extreme fiber stresses. The second method is the strength concept. It is also known as internal resisting couple method, or it is also called as the pressure line method. Then the third method is the load balancing concept. Okay, so these are the three approaches to analyze a pre-stressed member at transfer and service loads. So we have seen the first method now. So the numerical which we have seen, the first two numerical was of the stress concept. Okay, so in that we have actually calculated the resultant stresses, that is extreme fiber stresses. So now let us see the second method. So the stress concept is used to compare the calculated stress with the allowable stress. Okay, so why are we actually calculating the resultant stress? So that we can compare with the permissible stresses. Okay, just to check whether the member, the it is exceeding the permissible stresses or not. So that is the reason we find out the resultant stresses of the section. Now let us understand what is the pressure line method or the thrust line method. At any given section of a pre-stressed concrete beam, the combined effect of the pre-stressing force and the eccentrically applied load will result in the distribution of the stresses that can be resolved into a single force. So the locus of the point of application of this resultant force in any structure is termed as the pressure line or the thrust line. So what is basically a pressure line or the thrust line? It is nothing but the locus of the point of application of the resultant force. ठीक है, जो resultant force जो act कर रहा है उसका position is given by the pressure line. Is this clear, everyone? So this method is known as the pressure line method. So in this method we will find out the location of the pressure line. कि pressure line किधर act कर रहा है member में. So location of the pressure line is given by E is equal to M by P. ठीक है, so this I have taken as E bar. ठीक है, so location of the pressure line E bar is given by M by P. This is only for straight cable I'm talking about. ठीक है, so is this clear, everyone? What is pressure line? It is nothing but the application, the position of the application of the resultant force. तो हम लोग को basically उसका position find out करना है or the location. So now let us see one numerical, then you will understand. So let us go for the numerical now. Okay, I'll read out the question. So a pre-stressed concrete beam of section 120 by 300 mm deep is used over an effective span of 6 meters to support a UDL of 4 kilonewton. In the bracket, it is written exclusive of the self weight. Okay, so you have to take care of this, exclusive of the self weight. Now the beam is pre-stressed by a straight cable carrying a force of 180 and located at an eccentricity of 50 mm. Determine the location of the thrust line in the beam and plot its position at the quarter and the central span. So what we have to do, we have to determine the location of the thrust line and we have to plot in the figure. So first let us write down what is the given data. So as I've already told you, the first step is you will draw the figure properly. You will draw the cross section and the longitudinal section. So first I have drawn the cross section here. Width is 120, depth is 300, and then the longitudinal section also. ठीक है, span is 6 meters, simply supported, and pre-stressing force is applied at an eccentricity of 50 mm. So eccentricity I have shown, pre-stressing force tendons I have shown, and then live load is 4 kilonewton per meter. Okay, so I hope the figure is clear to everyone. Now what we have to find out, we have to find out the thrust line. Thrust line, we have to find out the location. Now the first step is we will find out the loads and moments. Okay, so dead load of the beam is WG, so which is given by cross sectional dimension into density, and live load is given in the question. So total load is 4.864. Now we will find out the reaction for this total load, which is coming out to be 14. Now bending moment at the support, for a simply supported beam it is 0. Now again we will find out the bending moment at the quarter span. So at the quarter span it is coming out to be 16, and at the central span directly WL square by 8, you can use the equation, and this is coming out to be 21.89. Okay, so we have calculated the loads and the bending moments at the quarter span as well as the central span. Now let us find out the location of the pressure line. So here location of the pressure line is given by the equation E is equal to m by p, where m is the bending moment. Now eccentricity at the support क्या हो जाएगा, where bending moment is 0. So position is 0. And then the second position location at the quarter span is bending moment at the quarter span upon pre-stressing force. It is 91.3. And at the central span position is given by m by p. That means moment at the center upon p. So moment at the center upon p is 121. So now we got the location of the pressure line. Support पे 0 है, quarter span पे 91 है और central पे 121. ठीक है. So now this location is from the tendon. Remember ये जो हम लोग डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, ये डिस्टेंस है फ्रॉम द टेंडन्स. ठीक है. सो हियर यू कैन सी एट द एंड स्पैन. ठीक है. एट द सपोर्ट कितना है, 0 है, तो इधर 0 से मैंने स्टार्ट किया. और क्वार्टर स्पैन पे कितना है, 91.3. सो 91.3 यहाँ पे. और सेंट्रल स्पैन पे कितना है, देखो 121. सो दिस इज द प्रेशर लाइन डायग्राम. Is this clear everyone? How to locate the pressure line? Yes or no? Yes, am I audible? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. This is the pressure line method. So after this, one more problem is there. So this was a problem for the straight tendon. ठीक है, तो ये सिर्फ straight tendon के लिए ये applicable है. So when the tendons are not straight or parabolic, so in that case, ठीक है, slightly it will be different. So we have one more numerical we will quickly see. So this was an example for the straight tendon. ठीक है, so one more example. Let us see. So now the second example is a rectangular concrete beam 100 mm wide and 250 mm deep spanning over 8 meters is pre-stressed by a parabolic cable. ठीक है, तो ये अभी parabolic cable है with a pre-stressing force of 250 kilonewton with zero eccentricity at the support and 400 mm at the midspan. The beam supports a live load of 1.2. Determine the position of the pressure line and plot at the quarter and the central span. ठीक है, तो same thing we have to do again. We have to determine the position, but the only difference here is the tendon is parabolic, है ना, parabolic profile is given in the question and eccentricity is also given. So now let us see how to solve this problem. ठीक है, the rest of the data is same, cross section dimension दिया है, pre-stressing force दिया है, live load दिया है, everything is the same. बस इसमें जो tendon है, that is it is not a straight tendon, it is a parabolic tendon. Now let us see how to solve this. So first step you will find out the section properties. ठीक है, so this you can do easily. Now let us see the next step. ठीक है, next step is also loads and bending moment. So dead load you will find out Wg, then live load is given in the question, so total load is this. Now at the quarter span you will find out the bending moment. So moment at the support is 0, moment at the quarter span for the load is this, and moment at the central span is WL square by 8 directly. So now loads and bending moments also you have calculated. Now let us see what is the difference here. Third step is now you have to locate the pressure line. So now since the profile is like this, okay, so what is the eccentricity? 400 mm. Okay, so now here you will have to actually use the concept of parabola. Okay, so three hinged arches may I think you have learned one equation. Okay, so that was a shape like this. So here you can see at the center it is 400, span is 8 meters. At the quarter span we don't know what is this value, right? At the quarter span we don't know what is the value of y. So now using the equation of a parabola, y is equal to 4hx into L minus x upon L square, वी विल फाइंड आउट एट द क्वार्टर स्पैन। ठीक है, ये जो डिस्टेंस है एट द क्वार्टर स्पैन कितना है, दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट। सो यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन वी गॉट द वैल्यू एज 30 mm। ठीक है, सो y इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू एच इंटू एक्स कितना है 2 meters, एल कितना है स्पैन अपॉन एल स्क्वायर। ठीक है, सो टेक एवरीथिंग इन mm because we want the value in mm. So now we got this value y. Now let us go for the next step. Now we will find out f top and f bottom. ठीक है, so f top at the support first we will find out at the support eccentricity कितना है 0 है और bending moment भी 0 है, so f top will become only p by a. So this is how much 10. Similarly f bottom is also 10. So I have just drawn the resultant stress diagram. ठीक है, top में भी 10 bottom में भी 10। ठीक है, तो resultant force कितने distance पे act करेगा, at the center of this. Now let us find out the stress at the quarter span. At the quarter span देखो, at the quarter span how much is this, y is 30 and bending moment is 10.8, that means your e is 30. Now for the quarter span f top is given by this equation, bending moment at the quarter span. So this is coming out to be 13.17 and f bottom is coming out to be 6.83. So now I have plotted this stress diagram. ठीक है, टॉप पे कितना आ रहा है 13.7 आ रहा है और बॉटम में कितना आ रहा है 6.83. सो अभी मैं इसका रिजल्टेंट फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज अ ट्रेपीजियम। ठीक है, ये ट्रेपीजियम है। सो द रिजल्टेंट इज गिवन बाय x इज इक्वल टू a plus 2b अपॉन a plus b from the lower side. So this distance is 138.21. So resultant force I have calculated. The resultant distance कौन सा distance पे act कर रहा है वो मैंने find out किया। Similarly at the midspan also, at the midspan E कितना है, so here you can see at the midspan E is 40 mm and bending moment is 14.4. So again I have calculated f top and f bottom. ठीक है, so f top is 14.23, f bottom is 5.77 and the distance is 142 by using the same trapezoidal का equation. So now I have actually calculated the stress diagram at the support, at the quarter span and at the mid span. ठीक है, so now let us find out the pressure diagram. ठीक है, so now pressure diagram is like this. ठीक है, at the support 0 है, at the quarter span and at the central span. ठीक है, so at the quarter span देखो कितना आ रहा है वैल्यू, तो जो रिजल्टेंट है ये जो डिस्टेंस हमने फाइंड आउट किया है। ठीक है, फर्स्ट कितना था सपोर्ट पे 125। ठीक है, तो 125 पे मेरा फर्स्ट पॉइंट रहेगा। ठीक है, एट द सेंटर ऑफ द सेक्शन टोटल डेप्थ कितना है 250 है। अभी देखो क्वार्टर स्पैन पे कितना आ रहा है, क्वार्टर स्पैन पे एक्स इज 138.21, ये हमने कहाँ से फाइंड आउट किया बॉटम से। सो बॉटम से 138 पे प्लॉट करेंगे। ठीक है, ये बॉटम से 138 पे सेकंड पॉइंट मैंने प्लॉट किया। अभी देखो सेंट्रल पॉइंट पे कितना है मिड स्पैन पे, बॉटम से 142 पे। ठीक है, सो बॉटम से 142 पे मैंने प्लॉट किया। So now I have got all the 3 points. So now you can join this point. So this is nothing but your pressure line and this is your tendon. Is this clear everyone? So when there is a parabolic cable profile, so this way you have to calculate. Yes, is this clear everyone? ठीक है, so basically depth कितना है section का 250 है total, correct? तो center कितने पे है 125। ठीक है, तो स्टार्टिंग में देखो कितना पॉइंट 0 मिला। ठीक है, सेकंड 125 मिला, सो दिस इज 125। फिर नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर स्पैन पे कितना है बॉटम से 138, तो ये पॉइंट मिला। फिर सेंट्रल स्पैन पे सपोज इधर मिला। सो नाउ यू कैन जॉइन दिस लाइक दिस। ठीक है, तो ये राइट हैंड साइड पे भी सेम रहेगा। सो दिस इज नथिंग बट योर प्रेशर लाइन। यस, इज दिस क्लियर एवरीवन? ठीक है, तो तुम ये डायरेक्ट डिस्टेंस भी शो कर सकते हो ना, ये तो मैंने बॉटम से कैलकुलेट किया है, न्यूट्रल एक्सिस से भी शो कर सकते हो, तो ये रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस माइनस कर दो, तो न्यूट्रल एक्सिस से भी शो कर सकते हो। ठीक है, इफ यू शो लाइक दिस ऑल्सो देन देर इज नो, अल्टीमेटली व्हाट इज द गोल, वी हैव टू प्लॉट दिस लाइन ना, प्लॉट दिस प्रेशर लाइन, तो प्रेशर लाइन हमने सॉफिट ऑफ द बीम से प्लॉट किया है, राइट, द अल्टीमेट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज अचीव्ड। Yes, others. What about others? Is it clear? Any doubt in this? ठीक है, so when the tendon is straight, so first जो problem बताया straight away you can do this. When the tendon is parabolic, so you have to do like this. Yes, others. Is this clear? Okay, fine. Okay. ठीक है, so I will upload this PDF on the Moodle account, so you can go through this. Okay.